Hello friends, how are you all? So friends, we have reached 27th November and we are coming closer and closer towards the IPL auction next year. So friends, today I have come with some 10 big players which will be seen in this IPL auction. So friends, overall it will be a very interesting video. So before I start this video, I would like to request you to please watch this video till the end, and if you are a cricket fan, don't forget to subscribe my video and press the notification bell so that you can get all the IPL updates as latest. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share it. So friends, let's start our discussion. So our first player is Mitchell Stark. So friends, we can see this year Mitchell Stark playing in the IPL. The last time he played in IPL was in 2014, and now in 2021 we can see Mitchell Stark playing in this IPL. In the previous season, Mitchell Stark was picked by Kolkata Knight Riders, but due to his personal problems, he could not arise for the KKR. So, but this year he will come in the IPL auction, and we can see a great bidding on him. So, friends, our next player is Jason Roy. Jason Roy has been with the Delhi Capitals from 2017 and 18, but in the previous year, due to his personal problems, he could not reach for playing in UAE the IPL season. But this season, he can come in the auction, and we can see a great bidding on him. So, friends, our third player is Hashim Amla. Yes, friends, Hashim Amla played his last IPL match in 2017, in which he scored a century. But from then onwards, he was not taken in the IPL season, and he was not bidded on the IPL auction. But this year, we can see him getting a great bid on this IPL auction season. So, friends, our next player is Suresh Raina, Mr. IPL Suresh Raina. So Suresh Raina last year could not play his IPL season because of some problems, some personal problems. But this year he can be seen in the IPL auction, and it does not look like that CSK will retain Suresh Raina, so he can come in the IPL auction. And the news is also coming that the 9th team, which is of Ahmedabad Lions, he can be its captain. So friends, if he comes in this auction, it will be a very great auction. So our next player is Yusuf Pathan. Yusuf Pathan, the big hitter, the big man. Yusuf Pathan. He played his last match in 2019, but from then onwards he did not play IPL. In the last season, he was not bidded, but some teams requested him to come in the IPL, but due to his personal problems, he could not have in the IPL. But this year he will be seen in the IPL auction, and he will have a great bidding. Friends, our next player is Shakib Al Hasan. So Shakib Al Hasan had a 1 year ban on by Bangladesh Cricket Board, and this year his ban will be closed, and Shakib Al Hasan will again start playing cricket, and so he can be seen in the IPL auction. He is a very great player. He is the best all-rounder in the world, and we can see a great bidding on him in this IPL season. Friends, our next player is Lasith Malinga. Lasith Malinga, the Yorker man, the great bowler. Lasith Malinga he didn't play the last IPL due to some personal reasons, but this year, if he comes in the IPL auction, it does not look like that Mumbai will retain him, but if he comes in the IPL auction, it will be seen that we can see a great bidding on Lasith Malinga. Our next player is Yuvraj Singh. So friends, however, Yuvraj Singh has taken retirement from international cricket and IPL, but he has given a letter to BCCI to include him in the IPL auction. And if BCCI gives the permission, then we can see a great bidding on this big player. So our next player is Joe Root. So, friends, from 2008, Joe Root has not played any season of this IPL, and whenever he had been in the IPL auction, no bidding was done on him. But in the last season, some teams requested for him to come in the IPL, but due to personal problems he could not join the IPL. But this season he is giving the name in the IPL auction, and we can see a great bidding on him also. Our last player is Manoj Tiwari. Manoj Tiwari, whenever he played the IPL season, he had a great IPL season, and Mumbai is the most calling team to him, and Mumbai is keeping in contact with this player, and it looks like that Mumbai can buy and purchase this player. So friends, if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.